Hello and good afternoon again from Scottsdale, Arizona. This is Kurt Boyd. I'm with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's Old Town Camelback Tower office, as it's commonly referred to. And we're at 27467 North 75th Way in North Scottsdale, 85266. We're looking at a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a flex space. We're at 3,500 square foot, built in 1994, renovated and looks fresh and is just absolutely wonderful. So if you're this, I just wanted to get probably 3 parts I'll do for the YouTube channel tonight, which is becoming more and more popular, and I really appreciate the outreach and all the feedback that I get from it. And of course, it's been instrumental in saving people a lot of time as far as driving around, or if you're out of state for that matter, a lot of time and a lot of plane fare and so forth. Seeing these videos online and helping you get some virtual walkthroughs, to save some time. I'm here to serve. That's what I signed up for, and that's what I'm doing. And so far, it's going pretty well. So anyhow, like I said, this one we're looking at 1.72 on the price tag, $650 a month annually for the HOA. The taxes are cheap at about $3,700 per year. And let's just go ahead and take a look through. I just wanted to highlight mostly the desert landscape. The backyard here has natural desert preserve, so there's a portion of it that you own, but you can't really mess with it because they want to keep the preservation of the desert, obviously. So, which is a good thing. It does have a cool pool though. So, let's go in through here. Okay. So right at the entryway here, it gives you some options. You've got wonderful sitting room here, and down this way it leads to the utility room, the flex room, the garage, and the master suite. But we're gonna go this way first into the kitchen. Figured why not just go right for the heart of it. So it's got some nice contemporary, updates. Love the black backsplash here. It looks really pretty. So extremely functional. And all the cabinetry is just, there's so much storage, it's wonderful. And there is a sit-up little breakfast bar area here. Got your dinette here. And you've got a really nice living center here with a wet bar, wine fridge. Let's get a close-up on that. Nice, love it. Okay, we've got electric fireplace. I believe it runs on remote control. I just can't find where the remote control is right now. Perhaps it's a push button. Let's take a look. Oh, maybe. Yep, I heard a noise. We'll see if she comes up in a couple minutes. So I'll do the backyard, and then I'll cut and we'll do the bedrooms and bathrooms in the last part. But I just wanted to make sure that everybody saw the kitchen right away. So here is the quiet natural desert preserve beyond the fencing. The fence can be extended a little bit, but it can't go further than 15 feet into the natural preserve area. So I'd have to have a topo map in order to figure that one out, to see how far you could push it back. But I don't know if there's really any need to do that. It's a beautiful pool. It graduates down towards the center there. It's probably only a 5 foot, is my guess. It's a walk-in, so it's not quite diving, but very, very nice. And it's clean, and it smells great, and its water's perfectly balanced. This looks into the primary suite. This is around the side yard. Wow, huge swallows. They don't make them like that anymore. Well, they do, but that's hundreds of years. And many thousands of dollars. You can't even, I don't even know how much that one would be. Probably 150,000, something like that. It's just nuts. But